Hello everyone. Hi Leo. This is the reading for you. This is January monthly reading 2021 and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So energy could be vice versa. So let's see your messages, Leo, fire sign for January 2021. Messages for you. Okay, Five of Pentacles. Yeah, someone is coming back. Leo, for sure. Yeah, I think in recent past there is separation between both of you, then again reconciliation, then again tower moment, then again separation. That is in and out, back and forth movements between you and your person. What I'm seeing, one time it is okay, one time that is cold showering, like feeling, and the tower. Definitely there is some tower moment you are going through in recent past. Right now also you are feeling overburdened due to the responsibilities, due to your family responsibility, due to your work pressure, or when you're thinking about your relationship. Definitely right now you are feeling overburdened, you are making some major decisions because the judgment is here. Heavy energy, you are in a heavy energy, what I am seeing here. And Six of Cups, definitely someone from past coming back for reconciliation, but you are heartbroken. You are very heartbroken, you are in so much pain, Leo, and but they are coming back with solid offer, long-term stability, and Three of Pentacles. They really want to work on this relationship, they want collaboration with you. Yeah, they really want to invest on this connection, they really want partnership with you, and you both could be colleagues also, you know. I think they realize you both after the separation, what I'm getting here, but decision is yours. They are coming back with stability and they want to work on this relationship, and but you are heartbroken. You don't know which decision you have to take before you are, because you are feeling overburdened. Ten of Wands, but you have to make some decision. Judgment is here, you are going to be make some decision, what I am seeing here, Leo. Yeah, I think for some it could be new person is also coming towards you. For some only, for some it could be past person. For some there are two persons. One is past and another one is new. The other person is also very attracted to you and they want to offer stability to this connection. But past person also want to work on this relationship. So take what resonate and leave the rest. And energy could be vice versa. So the person you will want in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. Three of Wands, waiting game. Definitely this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. So first we will see your person current feelings, then we will see their near future actions towards you. So your person current feelings, Knight of Pentacles, the Moon. Your person undergoing some tower moment right now. Definitely there are some disturbances between you and your person. The Moon, there are some secrets hidden. I think you person may be hiding something from you, or you may be hiding something from them. Definitely there are some disturbances between both of you, but now they really want to offer stable offer and commitment to you, and this time your person could be sincere also, because Knight of Pentacles is very stable offer and sincere offer. Yeah, they really want to work on this relationship, because Six of Cups with Three of Pentacles, definitely they want to invest in this connection and they want partnership with you, what I'm seeing here. Yeah, after the separation, literally your person undergoing some tower moment. I think you both are on the same page. You both are sad for the separation. but you are not talking. Yeah, they are coming back, but very slow moving energy, because Knight of Pentacles is very slow moving energy. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Under the deck, Two of Justice. Definitely they want second chance, Leo. Let's see the near future actions towards you. Yeah, Six of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. Yeah, they want reconciliation, and they're ready to offer equal give and take. I think in past there is no equal give and take. There is no commitment. What I am seeing here, I think your person may be in and out of your life, that is causing so much anxiety and insecurity in you. But now they're ready to offer commitment, and they're very, very passionate about you. They want new beginnings with you. Ace of Wands, definitely new beginnings. Three of Cups, yeah, they want celebration with you, and they want reconciliation. Yeah, they're very there is a lot of passion. Ace of Wands, new beginnings, and I think your person is sincere this time, Leo. They're coming back with sincere offer. They really want reconciliation with you. So the person you involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed and outcome. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest, guys. Wow, you both could be soulmates also. Strong soulmate connection. Yeah, you both become more expressive. I think you both I think in past your person may be not expressive. Now they want to express their feelings to you, because Four of Pentacles in straight. Definitely this time they want to express their feelings. And Queen of Cups, definitely you also have strong emotions for your person, Leo. You are very caring and giving person. Yeah, Knight of Cups, Seven of Swords. I want one more clarification card. Nine of Pentacles. So what I'm seeing here, you stand by your power, Leo. Definitely you achieved financial stability, and you are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially, because you stand by your power and you are very grounded. What I'm seeing here, definitely I think they are changing for you. There are some trust issues between both of you. You are not going to trust them easily this time, because Seven of Swords is here. I think they may be lied to you in past, but now they want to express their true feelings to you. They want to express truths to you. Yeah, and yeah, they're really changing for you, because Knight of Cups, Two of Cups, they have strong emotions. Really they love you, because love is there, because Knight of Cups is here, and Two of Cups. Definitely you both have strong bond. Yeah, this time your person is sincere. They're ready to offer what you want. Yeah, you both have strong bond, and you both could be soulmates also. So your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your overall energy for the month, Leo. The Star, Four of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, Ace of Wands. Yeah, you are also passionate about your person. For some, you started something new in your career wise, and you are getting success. You are very passionate about your work also. Eight of Swords. Definitely you are stuck. You don't know which decision you have to make when you are thinking about your person. For some, you are also holding back. This time you want to take decision very carefully. That's why you are taking your time. Yeah, the Star. Whatever decision you are going to make, that is going to be very good decision, because the Star is here. Definitely things are turning out into your favor. Your person could be Aquarius, Leo. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. The World, the Magician, Four of Cups, and Strength. Definitely they're gaining their strength to come towards you. And Four of Cups, definitely they're feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you, or for some they're scared that you may reject their offer. Magician, yeah, they're ready to manifest, and they want to manifest you again in their life. They want to manifest. The World, and this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. I think the World card, what I'm seeing here, same cycles going repeating between you and your person again and again, but some cycles are going to be end between both of you. in the month of January. Some new beginnings I am seeing. For some, there is new beginnings between you and your person. Yes, they are coming back to you, but very slow moving energy, because Knight of Cups and Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, this is very stable offer and they are coming in very slow moving energy, but you both could be soulmates also. So this is the reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.